Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this control guide in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have already modeled it with the help of a part design workbench, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on an equal interval of a time once the new features came. And once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So I will close this file and create a new file, create a body, and I will on my plane. So first we will read our drawing. So if we read our drawing, so this is the profile with a 6.5 mm thickness, and here are the round features. So it is better to make this profile on a top plane. So we will select XY plane and click on the sketch, and now I will go to the model tab, select my origin plane and press the space bar to hide the plane. Now we can see that internal diameter is 30 with a 6.5 mm thickness. So we will select the circle and create a circle. So this circle will be the 30 mm. We will select diameter option and give the 30 mm. And now we will again create a circle, and this will be 30 plus 6.5 plus 6.5. and now I will move this to dimension, and now we will draw the line which will be tangent to these two circles. So for this we will select the line tool and draw the line, top as well as bottom. And now here is only coincidence relation, so we will select this circle and this line and add the tangent relation. Similarly here, add the tangent, same as the bottom, add the tangent, select this and add the tangent. Now we will select the line tool and join these 2 points, and we will make it vertical. Select this one and make it vertical. Now here we will remove the unnecessary geometry by trim tool. Trim it, and now we will give the length. So for this front one, from the center it is a 20, 30 and 55. So we will select horizontal dimension, select this point and this point and add the dimensions 20 plus 30 plus 55. So this is a 105, and same way we will give the dimension from this point to this point, and it is a 110 plus 15, so 110 plus 15. Now our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will switch to the isometric view and go to the task and close our sketch and click here fit all. Now we will select our sketch and click on the pad. So if we see here, this face and this face are on the same line, and here is a R30, which means that total height is a 30 mm because this is R15. So we will give the length, so this is a 30 plus 25 plus 13, so we will give 30 plus 25 plus 13. This is the 30 plus 25 and this is the R13. Click on OK, and now we will remove material at this portion. For this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will project the geometry. We will click on the project geometry, and we will also project this arc. Now we will create a rectangle, and now we will select this point and this line and add the constraint. And this is R30, which means that diameter is a 26, so we will select this point and this point and add the distance 26, and total from the bottom is of 30, so we will select this point and this point and give the 30. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will switch to the isometric and come out of the sketch. Now select the sketch, click on the pocket tool, and from here say through all, say OK. Now we can see that there is no material on this side, so we will again select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, and we will project these 3 edges. So click on the project geometry, select this edge and this one, and create a rectangle. Now select this line and this point and add the coincidence constraint. Select this point and this line and add the coincidence constraint. So this is the fully constrained. We will come out of the sketch, click on the pocket tool and say through all. Now we are seeing the a small line here. For this we will go to the pocket. In refine we will set true, so that it will get disappeared. Now we will give the fillets. So here is a R15, so we will click on the fillet icon. We will select this edge and this edge, and we will give the fillet 14.99, because if we give the round 15 it will be fail. And now here is R13, so we will again select the fillet icon, give the 12.99, and click on this edge and this edge, click on this edge and this edge, and click on OK. Now we will also give the fillet. Here is R30. We will again select the edge, click on the fillet and give 30. And here is a fillet of R6, so we will rotate our model, click on the fillet, select this edge and give the fillet of 6 mm. Now we will switch to the isometric view. Now we will create these two holes. So for first we will create this one, so we will select this face and click on the sketch, set to the isometric, and we will project this edge. And now we will click on the circle, press Ctrl Z, because this is the of diameter 15. We will select this and give the diameter of 15 mm, close it, select the sketch, click on the pocket and say it true all, click on OK. Now to create this hole, select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, and this is of diameter 14. So we will select the circle, give the diameter of 14, click on close, click on the cut, and from here say true all, say OK. Now we will create this slot. So first we will create a slot true all, and then we will make this cut later. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and from here we will select the slot tool. Now this slot is of 12.7, so we will select the vertical dimension, select this point and give 12.7, and from this edge it is a 15, so we will click on project geometry, select this edge, add vertical dimension and give it 15 mm. Now this slot center, this one is of 20 mm from this center, so this is the center. So we will select horizontal dimension, select this and give the dimension 20 and move it, and center to center distance is a 30, so click on the horizontal dimension and give the 30 mm. Now close it. Now click on the pocket and say through all, say OK. Now select the face and click on the sketch. Now project the geometry, this slot edge and this top edge, and click on the rectangle, and this is of the 8 mm, so we will select this point and add the dimension 8 mm, and this is the 14, so we will give the 14, click on OK. Again click on the pocket tool, click on up to face, rotate the model and select this back face, click on OK. Now switch to the isometric view. So this is how we have successfully modeled this control guide in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. Now I can give some color to my parts. I give this color. So this is how to model the control guide in FreeCAD.